Okay, so this is the proposed site plan of this beautiful estate called the Maincastle Apartments, located in Ikeja, Maryland GRA. So right here we have our two duplex, 5 bedroom, fully detached duplex. That is what we'll be having on site, and you can see it. We have already started works. This is the first one, and this is the second one. So that is what we are having right here. And also here we'll be having over 49 units, and we'll be having 7-story buildings of blocks of apartments. Now, what I want to show you here is there will be a two entrance way into this beautiful estate. The first one is the one going to these duplexes. This is the way down to this duplex. So the person getting here would enter through here and straight into his compound. Then the family getting here also would enter through here straight into their compound, right? And there is the demarcation right here. You can see it. There is a demarcation right here, blocking those in the main units of apartments, you know, encroaching. There will not be need for encroaching to those staying at the duplex. So the second, this is the second entrance for those at the units of apartments. So they will be coming through here, and here there will be a ground floor around here. That is what we are doing. You can check it, take a look at it. That is what we are doing. There will be a ground floor. So this ground floor, they can take in through here, drive all the way to this ground floor. The ground floor will be the car park for all residents. It will be the car park for all residents, and they can drive through their way down here, coming here. Like I said, there will be a blockage. So those here that can't come to the other side. So the car will be stopping here. So here will be the ground floor and also the parking space, And if they can't take through here, they can also take through here, because like I said, it is a parking space, so they can take through here. Here will be a parking space, and I also said, mentioned it will be over 7-story building. So the 7-story buildings also, they comes with elevator also. So the remaining 6-story is all blocks of apartments, and the ground floor, like it is right now, is the parking space. So here we'll be having our facility. We'll be having some car parks also here. We'll be having our facility. We'll be having our swimming pool around here, and also on top of the swimming pool, is the gym area for every resident. Now the swimming pool is for every resident that have gotten here. Some put it for rent, some put it for shortlet. So they will be using the swimming pool right here, and the gym area will be on top of it. So we'll have at least 2 swimming pools in this axis for the people staying at the blocks of apartments. And so also for the 5-bedroom apartments, we'll be having all of them, the two blocks of 5-bedroom apartments. 5-bedroom fully detached duplex comes with a swimming pool each, like you see, one here and also one right here. So the parking spaces is to contain at least 4 to 5 cars. Also here, 4 to 5 cars for the blocks of apartments. I hope you understand this proposed site plan we have in the Maincastle apartments in Ikeja, Maryland GRA. Thank you and God bless.